Here we will write a program to accept set elements from user and find minimum and maximum value from it. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define empty set using set method. Then we will accept maximum element for the set from user. So n equal to int input enter number of elements. Then we will define one integer variable I, which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop while I less than n. Then we will accept element from the user. So e equal to input enter element. Then in set 1 we will add it. So set 1 dot add e, and we will increment I. Then first we will print original set. So print set 1. Then we will print maximum value from the set. Here we will use max function. So max set 1. Then we will print minimum value from set. Min set 1. Then we will save it. Find min max set dot py, and then we will execute it. First it will ask number of elements. I will give 5, and then I will enter the values. It will print original set and then maximum value and minimum value from the set.